Okay, Chris, your mom and I are going to make a chocolate smoothie that we like to make, and we're going to start off with some almond chocolate milk. And since there's two of us, she's going to pour in 19 ounces. We want to go more than 16 ounces for two of us, so more than 8 per person. We'll make another video of the other one. So we want about 19 ounces. There we go. We got our chocolate milk. And now we're going to start adding ingredients. We use frozen bananas because frozen makes it more solid. So we're putting in 2 bananas, 1 per person. She buys these things while they're ripe. She'll chop them up, put them in the freezer, and that makes it more like a frozen. That helps. So now she's going to do a big scoop of almond peanut butter. That's for 2 people right there. And then she's going to grab some green tea. And you can get this at Walmart in the bulk section. Doing 1 heaping teaspoon, really big one, for the 2 of us. Then she's going to do the spirulina, which we get off Amazon. A huge heaping teaspoon of that. Those are secret ingredients. Then she's going to do, this is crushed hemp seed. We get this at Sprouts. And she did 3 scoops because they round off, they don't get real tall. Now this stuff here is whey powder and it gets really tall. So she can do 2 huge ones and we're good, 1 each. And then she's gonna do this ground up flax seed. She can do 2 huge scoops of that. And then she's gonna go over and grab some cinnamon and do a full teaspoon of that for the 2 of us. And then she's got some, this is chocolate powder. You can buy this cocoa powder at Walmart in bulk. In the same place you buy the bulk green tea from Walmart. Here, hang on a second, come back over here with that, would you? I want to show her. Here's the powdered Arco pills. It's supposed to have 2 per person. I get these on Amazon, but I do 5 because I know some is going to stick to the walls of the blender. So I'm just putting 1 extra in there. So there's that. And now we got the super greens right here. We scooped out 2 huge scoops of the teaspoon and put it in this bowl. But just a heaping teaspoon. It also comes with a scoop you can use. We get these at Walmart. Or you can get them on Amazon for the exact same price. $15 for this thing here. So now she's got everything in there. And what you do is you run it on low. You got to get that banana mixed in. And once that banana gets broken up a little bit, because it takes a little while, then we'll run it on high. And we run it on high for at least 1 full minute. And it needs to really run good. And it'll thicken up and get all mixed good. And that's it. And then we'll make another one of these on the fruit.